Well, I think we know this is on the back of a recovery situation as the business was, so encouraging year, great set of results. Obviously, market-leading positions in gas compliance and in energy, so I'm really delighted, and the business is doing well. We have a sector-leading position, so clearly we've got a good management team, and it's run by 3 professional guys running regionally throughout the UK. So it's done very well. The mild weather has helped as well. So our margins have increased in the year. But look, we've been around in that sector a long time. These guys know how to operate the business. They're employing lots of guys on the ground. So it's had a great year, and it's continued well into the current financial year. Analysts are expecting us to stick our earnings and revenues up about 10%. So we're pretty confident with that. We feel comfortable with those numbers. As I said, we've had now 2 years of having got rid of the problem children in this business. So we are doing very well, and the direction of travel is fantastic. Debt is on the way down, and we're going to be relatively debt-free this year. Okay, well, in energy, as people are aware, we have these joint ventures with the Scottish Government and the Welsh Government. They're on fixed-term contracts, so they're doing very well. Again, the English government doesn't yet have a strategy for its energy management. We're very hopeful of, as and when they do engage, that they'll engage with us. It would be somewhat remiss, I think, of the English government not to engage if, in fact, we've got the Scottish and Welsh government contracts. So we're expecting those to perform well this year. We're looking again for increased growth in it. It's a very interesting sector. It's had its knocks and it's had its ups. We are a big fan of it. We now have a profitable meter installation business. We're looking at whether we should be owners of meters as well. There obviously are some listed companies and some about to be listed who favour that sector. The one thing that we're certain of is that to do well in meter ownership, you have to have an installation business. And we've got one of the leading providers of meter installation business, and it's doing very well. As you say, quite rightly, it's won work in the year. So we're confident, and it's a sector we're looking at. We're very proud of this. It's something when you've come off the back of having a business been underperforming because it's been in trouble, sometimes you forget some of the real pluses that you do. And we hope that, having now demonstrated in the last 2 years we're carbon neutral, so the amount of carbon offset we've managed to get against the amount of carbon we've used in our general business has clearly outperformed that usage. So we're very hopeful of moving forward on it. But look, the key here is that we're a sustainable business. We're in sectors which are come growth. We've hopefully now can attract some funds into this business who see our environmental standard as being high. So it's another tick in the box, I think, for us moving forward, and something we're very proud of.